You have scored 173 points this run. You have collected 10 lights this run. Share your result. Next. You have 200 lights. Next. Mission level 1. Play again. You have scored 108 points this run. You have collected 0 lights this run. Share your results. Button. Double tap to select. Next. Button. Mission level 1. Play again. You have scored 45 points. Next. Mission level 1. Play again. You have scored. Next. Mission level. Play again. You have scored 53 points this run. You have. Next. Button. Double tap to select. You have 200. Next. Share your result. You have collected. You have scored. You have scored. You have. Next. Mission level 1. Play again. Back to main menu. Main menu. Mission. Get a score. Quest 1. Quest 1. Quest. Skip. Play. Options. Inventory. High score. Profile. You have 200. High. Inventory. Options. Inventory. Inventory. Themes. Themes. Forest. Factory. Button. Restore purchases. Loading. Restoration finished. Your previously purchased products have been restored. OK. Restore purchases. Factory. Loading. Start tutorial. Button. Start tutorial. Button. Double. Start tutorial. Start tutorial. Button. You can skip the tutorial by tapping in the upper left corner or by double tapping with 2 fingers on the screen.
Work and production methods have changed, even in the zombie world. In the factories, robots have taken over the shifts. In bright daylight they look abandoned, but at night the facility...
Skip tutorial? Skip tutorial? You can read. No. Yes.
Destroy humans. Destroy visible.
You have scored 124 points this run. You have collected 10 lights this run. Share your results. Button. Double tap to select. Next. Mission level 1. Play again. You have scored 103 points this run. You have collected 0 light. Next. Mission level, play again.
Target visible. Target enemy detected.
You have scored 50. Next. Mission level, play again.
Destroy humans. Destroy. Enemy detected.
You have scored 124 points this run. You have collected 10 lights this run. Share your results. Button. Next. Mission level, play again.
Wonderful. You have collected a shield. As long as you can hear the shield sound, this power-up protects you from your enemies.
Visible. Target enemy detected.
You have scored 169 points this run. You have collected 0 lights this run. Share your next. Mission level, play again.
Enemy detected. Enemy visible. Target. Enemy detected. Enemy. Destroy humans. Enemy detected.
You have scored 117 points this run. You have collected 0 lights this run. You have 220 lights. Your high score is 347. You have next. Mission level 1, play again.
Destroy humans.
You have scored 39 points this run. Next. Mission level, play again.
Enemy detected. Enemy. Target visible. Target detected.
You have scored 128 points this run. You have collected 10 lights this run. Share your results. Button. Next. Mission level, play again.
Destroy humans. Destroy. Target visible.
You have scored 82 points this run. Next. Mission level 1. Back to main menu. Get quest 1 quest skip play option invent high score profile. You have your high quit.
Voiceover on. Blind bargains. Speech off.